to another video. Today I'm going to be telling you how to tighten the chain because my retard self has somehow stripped the threads on both sides of here, but I didn't strip them over here. So now I gotta move this motor up. Ow. Where do I need this to be? Hold up real quick. Let's turn you this way. There we go. Okay. Good enough. Well, overall that was a pretty decent ride. No shifts from the wheel, I don't think. It looks pretty darn straight. So, I mean, it could be turned a little that way, but actually it could be turned a lot that way. But chain, oh my god, I tightened this chain. This chain is like so weird. Anybody know why it just comes loose again? Tightened it all the way up, it could not move at all. Now it's just loose. But let me know. I'm gonna go back, fix that, and then we'll be back on the riding. Okay guys, just fixed it. Doesn't look like it'll go anywhere. So let's get back on the road, and hopefully this doesn't loosen. I don't know why it would loosen. Hopefully it doesn't loosen. If it does loosen, oh well. Okay guys, I was going down the road and I realized I forgot to tighten the brakes, so I had no brakes. Well guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed. a little bit of a tutorial on my problems. And we'll see you next time.